You ate everything. Good job.
It was good.
Good. Did you want more? Is that perfect? So, Shed Wars 22.
Yes.
Are you ready for it?
Oh, I'm ready.
You're ready? Should we volunteer for the Southern Hemisphere?
We're the Northern Hemisphere, aren't we?
Yes, we are. But should we volunteer to help the Southern Hemisphere?
Help them how?
Help them by growing food.
You're growing food in the dining room.
I am growing food in the dining room. That counts.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We should do it.
Sure.
Okay, let's do it. Well, there, you heard it from the horse's mouth. Apparently, we at Lorrie's World are volunteering to be volunteers for the Southern Hemisphere Shed Wars. And I can't tell you how excited Stiff Dave is about this. So let me show you what I have going on in the garden. So look at this beautiful tomato. And I've already got some tomatoes on it. I need to start some basil. I watched Bunky's video yesterday and she has inspired me. And I can't wait. If I start some basil now, I might have some in time for when these get ripe to make some midwinter fresh bruschetta. Like how fabulous would that be? And this, I'm not sure. Lana, maybe if you watch this you can tell me, or somebody who knows. This just went straight to bud. I don't know what I should do with it. I'm just leaving it. And then look at this pepper plant. It just is doing, it looks beautiful and healthy and wonderful. My parsley. There's my baby lettuce. Doesn't seem to be doing much, but there I've got a little cabbage. That's probably ready to be transplanted. My fennel, I think, might be ready to be transplanted. My cilantro looks good. My lamb's ear is coming along. Here's pepper number 2. And then I have some dill here too. I don't know why I planted dill. I don't know what I plan to do with it, but maybe put it in salads or something. I may trim a little off actually and put it into the pasta salad that I'm making today. I believe it has medicinal qualities. Like, I've been really surprised looking at this recent book. How many plants that have medicinal qualities. Oh yeah, that fennel's not looking too good, is it? But it'll pick up. And then up there I just have my Christmas cactuses. Because I had my lettuce and my carrots in here. Let me take you, they don't look so good. So I moved my carrots and my lettuce into here because they didn't look so good. I thought maybe they were getting too warm because we do keep it pretty warm in the house. Mima gets cold, so I don't know. But yeah, have a look at this. Here's my lettuce. This looks thirsty today. Oh, but it's, well, it might be. I might have to take it in and soak it. And then here's my little cabbage. That's looking a little better. My carrots are not looking happy at all. So I'm thinking it's definitely too warm for them. And there's that other lettuce there that might also need some more water. So I don't know, but we'll see. I might be pulling these carrots out in the next couple of days because look at that. That's not good. Go ahead and pull them and start some more in there. We'll just eat little baby carrots. What do you think, honey?
What?
About being part of Shed Wars?
I ain't a part of nothing. So there. I don't join no groups because all they do is somewhere along the line they start fighting. So there. Sorry, John. Sorry, whoever. But I ain't joining.
He's just going to remain part of Lorrie's world.
Well, I have to.
Because he has to.
That's in the contract.
But he's not going to do no darn gardening.
Nope.
No gardening for Dave.
I start my own thing. No gardening at all.
No gardening at all.
With Stiff Dave.
How to not garden.
There you go. I can do that one.
How to not garden when your wife is in Shed Wars.
Yep.
Well, there you have it. Mima wants to enter.
To donate $11 a month now.
They're coming for it. Your personal data, your intellectual
That ought to be interesting.
She's gonna make me
Yeah.
do her gardening for her.
Yeah,
Pretty
there you
sure.
go.
So, regardless of what you say, Johnny boy, Mima and me are on the same team. I don't know which team is due to have a person based on. So I know you guys are splitting them back and forth. So whichever team we're on, we're happy. We're just excited to be part of Shed Wars 22.